You see?
Mama, don't worry. Amara is going to get married, but not to a Jofo. Did you hear the despicable things he said?
Subaluma Yibo, Subaluma Yibo, Inwa A5s na wayek, yet you could not pass jam. Nonsense, he passed our wayek that jam. What's the point? Now let mama put. And it's only noodles you know how to prepare. Fried noodles with water. Hey! Abura mama, may God bless you.
Amen.
You're a wonderful child.
Amen.
You keep remembering your mother, and that is how God will remember you.
Amen.
If you feel when you be cooking and selling, whether the food is tasty or not, there will always be buyers.
Amen.
So the next buyer get your way, dollars. Amen and amen. May I have his head one?
Why not? What would I give you?
Chai.
Yeah, let me keep this one for myself.